Hey guys, thanks again for tuning in. We have another video for you here today. This tile that we're going to be installing is actually 18 by 36 rectified porcelain tile. As you can tell, I got two suction cups there, the ones with the pumps. They really help out, that way you know if it's holding or not, because it's going to either stay with that handle pumped or it's going to show a red line on one side if it's not got good suction. So I really recommend those. If not, you can use the suction cups that have the levers on them. Just really make sure when you pick up these size tiles at a time, because if it drops, someone's going to get hurt or you're going to break the tile. One of those usually. Anyway, so we're actually setting this tile over a newer uncoupling membrane. This is made by Mapei. I believe it's called Mapei UM. They keep it real simple. It's Mapei uncoupling membrane. And we're setting the tile with a large format thin set. This is actually a new thin set by a new, well, not a new place, but a new thin set that's not even on the market yet when we did this video at the time. I'm not going to name any names, but you know, it's similar to most of your lightweight large format thin sets. Really sticky, hold the notch pretty good. So what we're doing here is we got our tile laid out. We're going to be doing a grid pattern here. And what we're going to be using to set this tile is a 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch square notch trowel. If you guys watch our video, you can tell that that's one of our favorite trowels for setting most floor tile. But since this tile is so big, I mean a 1/2 by 1/2 should get pretty good coverage. But we're actually taking a 1/4 by 1/4 square notch trowel, and we're actually notching out the back of these tiles too, just to give it more mortar to make sure we have full coverage area. Because what happens with these tiles, they're so big and they're long, they're 36 inches. What happens in the middle of the tile, you'll still get that the mortar will be touching there, but it might not be collapsed at all the way. So excuse me, by having the 1/4 notch trowel there, it really fills that in and making sure that you get a real good bond, real good coverage, and this tile installation will last literally for a lifetime, so we won't ever have a problem. So we're going to be doing two parts to this video. This is going to be the first part of us setting most of it, and then we're going to have another video just setting the rest of it. That's about it. If you have any questions at all, please leave them in the comments or you can send us a message and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Thanks again for tuning in, and if you like to watch and learn about tile installation, as we pretty much do most of the time on this channel, please consider subscribing and like the video as well. And if you want to see the videos, we usually put them out every Friday night 10 p.m. so hit that bell so you get notified when it comes out, and stay up to date. Thank you and have a good day.